Kaylin or ang ganda ng hair. Wear this wig with me. First is hairnet. This is included when you purchase wigs from JB Select for you. Wear this like elastic headband first. Then pull back one end and tuck in your hair. You can close the end by tying with rubber band or tuck it at the bottom. This is in style Daphne. Put it like you wear cap, then fix. Always detangle first at the bottom. And this is Daphne wig in cold brown.